Hello kids, welcome to our English class. Today is 2nd April 2020, Thursday. So what are we going to learn today? We are going to explore spellings. We'll be investigating spelling rules for the suffixes tion, sion, ssion and cian. Now before we move ahead, let's understand what is a suffix. So a suffix is a group of letters that comes at the end of a word, and they change the meaning of word. Once you add a suffix to a root word, you will get a new word, a fantastic brand new word. So knowing the rules for suffixes can help us to understand and spell words better. As I told you that there are several different ways of spelling the words, and one such word and the sound we'll be exploring today is shun. All the suffixes which we are going to investigate about has the sound shun. So there are several different ways of spelling the word ending that sounds like shun. So the rules will be very helpful when choosing the correct ending to put at the end of a root word. So let's talk about suffix tion. The suffix tion means the act of. For instance, digestion means the act of digesting. Remember, there are several different ways. As I told you, I am repeating it again that there are different ways of spelling the words, especially the ones which have ending like shun. So most common way is tion, shun as in tion. So we have words which end with T or TE. So which we use if the root word ends in T or TE. So let's look at this root word inject. It ends with T. We have added here ION and it has changed its meaning. It is a new word now, injection. Similarly, we have hesitate. Here it is ending with TE. This is a root word which is ending with TE. And here we are adding ION and the word has got a new meaning, hesitation. Now, does any one of you know the meaning of an injection? What does it mean? Yes, you are right. It means medicine given with a needle. And how about hesitation? Now, you can say hesitation means pause. Okay, so let's now concentrate on ssion. The ssion means the result of. For example, we can say impression. Root word means this is a new word. So here we have added ssion and the meaning is result of impressing. It's the result of something. So usually a verb needs to change its ending before the suffix is added. So ssion is used when the root word ends in ss or mit. I have already displayed this example for you. Discuss is a root word. So you can see here ssion. So if we need to drop double s because we cannot use 4 times s. So we need to drop one set of double s and then we bring this ssion and the word is discussion. Can you see that? So, and for example, MIT, when I'm talking about omit, so here again, if I want to add ssion, I need to omit the, yes, we are actually doing it. You can see that we have omitted T and then we have brought ssion and now it's a new word, omission. So what do you see? What is happening here? So if a word ends in ss, just add ssion. But remember, not 4 times s. But if the word ends in mit, you must drop the t before mit, and so then you can add ssion. So for root words ending in ss or mit, use the ending double sion as in. So this is a root word discuss. Ion, it's ending with ss, so the new word is discussion. Let's take a look. What does it mean? Yes, you can make out from the picture itself. Admit, here it is ending with MIT. Again, what we have done here, we have added ION, this suffix. So we cannot write ADMITION. So we need to remember that if it is MIT ending with MIT, we need to add double S sion. Admission, yes. So now for root words ending in D or a consonant, any consonant, and then SE, use the ending SION. Yeah, this is also one of the most common suffix which we use in the ending. So if the root word ends in DE. So remember, there are two types which I am talking about, two rules I am discussing with you. One where it is ending with D and then comes SE, so you will use SION, and if the root word ends in DE, as in extend, okay, like extend. So drop the D. You need to drop the D before adding sion. Remember, if it is, yeah, so we cannot do that. So example, you can see here comprehend. Here it is ending with D. So what we have done here, ion, okay, sion. So comprehension. You can see we have used sion. All right, did you understand looking at the example? So yes, that's how it goes. So now again we'll explore SION a little more. So what does it mean? It means the state of, the state of. For example, let's say conclusion. Conclusion means the result of concluding. Okay, the result of concluding. There are about 50 words in common use that end in SION. And most of the verbs they change their ending in order to add the suffix. If the root word ends in a consonant, any root word which is ending in with a consonant and then se, like suspense. Here n is a consonant and comes se. Drop the final e before adding ion. So example, you can see here ending with se. We need to drop this e and then only we can add ion. Suspension. Yeah, suspension. What does it mean? What do you think? Dangling, or you can say delay. All right. And try to remember this thing, children, that whenever we here also again I am showing you the example when I told you about if the root word is ending with D, so I have added here ION. Now I cannot use, so you can see here we have replaced it with TION, not ATTENSION. Okay, this will be if we talk about this spelling, it will be wrong. You cannot use SION. Similarly, if again you can see here intend plus ion, so it changes into intention. D is replaced with T and then comes ion, not intend, not with S. It is tion. For root words ending in C or CS, you have to use the ending cian. So you can say musician. Uh, who is a musician? Someone who plays music. And comes, remember, if the root word ends with C. If the root word ends in CS, as in politics, here you can see the root word, this politics CS, then you have to again drop the S, final S before adding IAN. You can see here we have removed this S and then we have the C will remain the same and IAN, it changes into politician. So let's check our understanding of words ending tion, sion, ssion, and cian. Grab your English notebook or your whiteboard or an A4 size paper. I'll be dictating you the suffixes. Let's see how well you have understood them. So for this, I will play the timer, which will run for 2 minutes, and you will just write the answer. So your time starts now. I had to be very brave when the nurse gave me an injection. Injection. Number two, Jamie went to school to get an admission. Jamie went to school to get an admission. Number three, Anna answered the question without any hesitation. Hesitation. Number four, we had a long discussion about whether we could watch the film. Discussion. Number five, after we read the book, we did some comprehension activities. Comprehension. Number six, if you like numbers, you could be a mathematician. Mathematician. Number seven, please pay attention in class. Please pay attention in class. And the last one, I needed to have my eyes checked, so I went to the optician. Optician. So, are you done? Well done. So, we will do self assessment for this. I will reveal the answers for you. So, just do the self assessment and check how well you have understood. So, these are the answers: injection, education, hesitation, discussion, comprehension, mathematician, attention, optician. How many got all eight correct? Well done. Very good. Good job. Now, let's do one more activity, children. Yes, it's going to be really exciting if you really have understood this lesson well and you get all of these correct. So, what are we going to do here? You may, I mean, you need a dictionary. In case you need help from the dictionary, you can grab your dictionary. So, you need to add tion, sion, ssion, or cian to the root word below. All right. These are the five words. I have given you the timer. It is for 2 minutes, but I might close it little early. So, because you don't have to copy the words, just write the correct word added with the right suffix. And your time has already started. Okay, children, I'll stop it and let's check the answers. So, have you got all five correct? Education, tension, exception, mathematician, politician. Well done to you. Give a pat on your back. So this is your assignment and you will here you can have a choice. There are three tasks, task 1, task 2, task 3, whichever task you feel you can do comfortably and independently, please go for it. But I would recommend all of you to come till here, task 3, because once you do this, you can go for the challenge in which you can choose the word and you can create sentences on your own. For this, if you need, you can use a dictionary. So choose any of the word and create sentences. And remember, don't forget to write your learning outcome and reflection. Please tell us how did you find this lesson, whether you found it easy or some parts were difficult or you really found it difficult. So see you next time. Till then, take care.